TYTAN is a series of burnout furnaces for precise casting forms. Comparing to competitive constructions, the heating chamber is made of rustless steel and it is resistant to corrosion. Quartz cover of a thermocouple makes it cool slower, what guarantees the maximum precision of measuring. There are 3 different sizes of chambers dedicated to different users. The muffle is hard and homogeneous. It effectively protects the heating elements against aggressive gases coming out during the burning process. Heating elements have been designed that way to optimize the burning process. An energy-saving isolation reduces the energy usage and exploitative costs. A heating coil is placed at all muffle sides, what guarantees evenly heating of the ring, regardless its size or where it is in the chamber. Microprocessor programmer provides stable control of burning process and gaining perfect work results. 24-hour switch-on button lets the furnace start with a delay up to 4 days. Each setting, like burning speed, time and temperature, is set individually. It guarantees gaining optimal expansion of work leading to high precision. In case of power disconnection, there is a system of process maintaining. When the power is connected, the furnace continues operating. As soon as the chamber door is opened, a safety switch disconnects heating's power, protecting against potential overheating. TYTAN furnaces are long-lasting, safe and reliable machines. They are dedicated to hard work.